Hello, Brother Bear. This course helped me focus on important aspects as a programmer, and this new way of learning was difficult in the beginning because I have the habit of working with homework and assignment, but I learned to have more discipline and self-learning with the new concept in web programming. I think the best way for demonstrate my knowledge in this course is my project. Um, every week, alone and with my group, I learning new and important concepts such as the use of the JSON files in order to obtain information and also write information in them. Also the use of APIs to obtain this file. This semester I discovered that there is a lot of information on the internet in JSON format that can be used raw. The API that was incredible. For example, in my project, was difficult obtain information about Peruvian food, but I built my home JSON in GitHub. For example, in my index HTML, here I use XML at HTTP request, and my request URL is my GitHub repository with my JSON file. And is because it's difficult find information about JSON file for Peruvian food. I don't know. I also learning how to manage the sending and receiving for this information, get and post, route the HTML HTTP request, which is an excellent tool for this purpose and was very helpful in my project. I also learning the use of variable and working them in session to be able to use them in other web page in my project. For example, that was very helpful because this work I usually do with PHP. For example, in my project, I use a function getDataOrder for obtain my variables in my form, in this form, for use this information in other page. Here store my information in local storage and use this information in, for example, in detailed HTML page. For example, here. Okay. In order HTML. Okay. Here I use my local storage variable storing in my index PHP. Okay, here store, here use my variables. Okay, I could also learn the use of conditional and loop in JavaScript and the powerful what can be this language for the management of the various tasks in a web project. For example, here use the for loops and if conditional statements, for example. Is important use this conditional and loop statement because help me working with the logic in the page in JavaScript. Okay. Okay. This JavaScript learning also includes what I learned from Dom, which is how to make magic in a web page by being able to appear or disappear element of a web page. For example, in order HTML, I use DOM for appear information or show information in my order HTML page. Okay. Or for example in my menu HTML, for example here in the menu is menu, for example choose this food. Okay, this is my information, is done. Okay, I like this principle because help me use my information or show my information in the time to do it and put the information in my project. One of the most interesting topics for me was the use of transition, transformation, and animation only with JavaScript. I worked with jQuery before, but I learned that if I understand better how things work with JavaScript, then any library I use in the future will be easy to learn and understand. For example, here in my project, choose food and fill my information. For example, my mail, phone, okay, and district and address. Okay, here I'm using transformation and animation, for example. Here, okay, it's my animation and transformation. I like these concepts. Okay, finally, the use of video, audio, and canvas helped me to see the power of HTML. Before, for this task, we have to use Flash, but now everything is so independent and transparent that I can be used in a very simple way. Brother Bear, I like this course. It's new experience for me. It's other way for working my knowledge. I am grateful for your help, your feedback in the course. Thanks for your help in everything of the course. Thank you.